Hey guys, so I want to share some valuable information if you're potentially a first-time home buyer or really just anybody that's considering buying a home someday here in our beautiful city of Denver, Colorado. So I wanted to talk about down payment assistance programs. So these programs, they're designed to help you overcome the challenge of saving for a large down payment, and that really helps make home ownership a lot more accessible and attainable. Even in an environment like today, while many people are considering, this a very challenging market to buy and sell real estate, you still do have options as a first-time home buyer to take advantage of some of these programs out there. So in Denver, we have several down payment assistance programs available to support first-time home buyers, maybe like yourself. One really popular program, probably the one that's used the most right now, is called the Colorado Housing and Finance Authority. It's commonly known by its acronym CHFA, CHFA. And that's basically, again, just a down payment assistance program. To be eligible for CHFA, the CHFA down payment assistance, you basically just need to make sure you guys are meeting certain criteria, and that's specific to the program. So here's what you guys need to know. Number one, first-time homebuyer status. So this program is primarily designed, again, for first-time homebuyers. However, there are some options available for repeat buyers who do still meet other specific requirements. So just because you may have bought a home before doesn't mean you're necessarily totally, this isn't available to you. So make sure you guys keep that in mind. And then number two, income limits. So CHFA has certain income limits set, and that just basically ensures that this assistant targets individuals with lower to moderate income levels. The exact limits depend on the program and the number of people in your household. It is a very expensive time, especially in Denver, Colorado. So make sure you guys check those limits because you'd be surprised. They might actually be a little bit higher than you think. So you still might qualify even if you have a pretty, well-paying job. And then number three, credit score. While CHFA programs are a little bit more flexible than traditional lenders, you do still have to have a decent credit score. This helps really just demonstrate that you're financially responsible and capable of taking on this loan, even if it is, again, a low down payment and a first-time home buyer type program. And then number four, Homebuyer Education. So completing this Homebuyer Education course is a lot of times a requirement to get this CHFA loan. These courses, they're great. They provide valuable information on just the overall home buying process, just really good financial management and literacy, and just how to be a responsible homeowner when that day comes. And then, I also just want to talk, once you guys understand that you've qualified or you're capable of qualifying, just talking a little bit about the application process. So for CHFA down payment assistance, we'll use that one again as an example. There are a few steps you have to follow. So first and foremost, you got to find a CHFA approved lender. So start by connecting with a CHFA approved lender. They'll help you really guide. They'll be there, your point person. They're going to be the one that really helps guide you through this entire process. They're going to assess your eligibility, help you choose the most suitable program, and just be your right-hand person going through this entire process. Once you've established that relationship with that person, you're going to complete the actual application. Again, just work with that lender, complete this CHFA loan application, make sure it's very accurate. You don't want to skip through any of this, and you want to make sure, again, it's as accurate as possible. You're going to have to provide, detailed information about your income, any assets you might have, and without a doubt, your employment history. Again, after you've done that, you're going to have to attend that Homebuyer Education course that I mentioned. Fulfilling that obligation is really important. That is a requirement by CHFA in order to be approved for their loans. They also, though, however, do have some that are online now. So you don't necessarily have to go to a physical location for that course. After you've done that, you're going to obviously submit all of this to get your loan started, gathering all this documents, tax returns, pay stubs, bank statements, anything you're going to need basically just to support your application that you're submitting. Your lender obviously is going to help you guide you through all of this, though. Once you've done that, just going to wait. Hopefully, you'll hear from them soon. Once you have, provided everything, that a process for approval usually takes, a few weeks. So just, be patient, and hopefully you'll hear from them soon. And then once you've got that application approved, you're just going to have to wait on closing of your home. So obviously, identifying your home, proceeding with, finalizing all of the different aspects of purchasing the house. That's where I can help. I'm a licensed real estate agent. Feel free to reach out. And again, though, your lender is going to coordinate with you through this whole process and just ensure that when the time comes, this down payment assistance fund that you're getting is going to be available at closing. So you guys, hopefully that helped a little bit. Again, first-time home buyers, Denver, Colorado, lots of down payment assistance programs. CHFA is just one example of this. Several others that I can share with you guys if you're interested. Feel free to reach out, drop a comment below, shoot me a message, give me a call. I'm here to help and hopefully provide value to you guys. So have a good rest of your day. We'll talk to you soon.